This video is to show you how to create a SurveyMonkey form for the volunteer signups. So you'll go to surveymonkey.com and then the username and password is stored in 1Password. It's the impact at CoachArt one. And then if you don't have that set up in 1Password, it's impact at coachart.org and CoachArt all lowercase 1200. So I'll go ahead and autofill that. You will log in. You'll hit send code, and this will send a verification code to your email. If you're not on the impact at coachart.org email, you will not receive it. So let me know if you want to be added to that, or you can just ping me and say, hey, I asked for the code, what is it? And I'll check my email and send it to you. So here's the verification code. You will enter it here. You'll give your device a name. I just do my initials to be quick about it. And it will verify the device and start to log you in. There can only be one person in at a time, or sorry, two. So I kick out the person who has the furthest away last added date. So I'll remove Colton for now. And that should let me in. It might take a minute to load. Okay, so once we are in, we have to find this template, and it makes it super easy. So I just have to remember how to find that. I think I'll pause it for a second while I find it. Okay, I found it. So what you're going to do from anywhere in SurveyMonkey is go to Create Survey. And that will pull up some different options. And the one you'll want to go for is Start from Template. So click Start from Template. And hang on one second. Okay, thanks for bearing with me. So we're on the All view. We're going to go to Team Templates. And this will show our team templates. We're going to pick this one, upcoming club name dash vol form. I'm going to delete this one. That's a duplicate. So you'll click on this and it'll just preview it for you. So this shows the template that we're all used to seeing. And you'll go to copy this survey. And it'll start a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and do the LA Water Club's club. So I'm going to call this, I just do copy and pasting from this doc. It's super easy. So you can go into edit mode and then save that. I'm not sure why that wasn't saving. You're going to go over to the LA Programs tab and find this one. And you're going to plug everything in. Let's see, August, September, here it is. So we're going to do, I'll look for the blurb. Like this. Save. And then you're going to go ahead and plug in the start time and end time, 2:30 to, I'm assuming it's 3:30 p.m. I'll change that if I need to. To 4. Okay, so we'll change that. And then, of course, the start and end dates, 9:28 to 10:19. I think that was, what day of the week was that? Mondays. So I think for LA, we'll create 2 of these since there's 2 time slots. 4 o'clock. And then location, Zoom, or whatever you want to put. And then the rest of the questions, you can just see what applies. I'm assuming we're not going to be sending out t-shirts, so I would go ahead and delete the t-shirt size question for this. Add in any additional information that you want. And I'm going to go ahead and save that question. And I'm not sure why it's giving me trouble with renaming it. I'll try one more time. I'll just put Watercolor Club. Let's see if it lets me do it. Maybe I need to select a category. Let's try saving. It's not saving, but eventually that will save. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Collect Responses. You're going to click Send Surveys Your Way. You're going to click Get Web Link. And then you're going to copy this and go back and they added a link to the sign up form here. And so for Watercolor Creatures Club, for volunteers, if you were doing a volunteer form, you'd put it here. This would say it a little differently, LA volunteers, etc. So you just give the link there, and that way Marcy can go ahead and plug it right in to your emails. So let me know if you have any questions with this, or have any trouble with it like I did with the name. I'm sure that'll eventually stick. And this will be a big help for Marcy while we're in this in-between time. Thanks, everybody.